देन 12 ऐसे होती है। तो जो मीडियम साइज डमी होती है वो 10 काम करते हैं, क्योंकि मीडियम साइज से अपग्रेड करना भी इजी होता है ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम से, और मीडियम साइज से डाउनग्रेड करना भी इजी रहता है। ठीक है, सो गाइस आज हम सीख रहे हैं मेजरमेंट लेना। उसके लिए हमारे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ आवर नेक or highest point of our shoulder. This is called HPS. This is called
HPS.
And this is the lowest point of our shoulder. So this is called LPS. ठीक है, तो ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं, इन्हीं पॉइंट्स की हेल्प से कई कंपनीज LPS की हेल्प से चल रही है, कई कंपनीज HPS की हेल्प से चल रही है। तो जो मैक्सिमम इंडियन जो साइजिंग सिस्टम है पूरा HPS की हेल्प से चलता है। तो हमारे सारे मेजरमेंट कहाँ से होंगे?
HPS।
तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या चीज मेजर करनी है? सबसे पहले हमें हमारा शोल्डर मेजर करना है। दिस इज कॉल्ड अक्रॉस शोल्डर फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट ऑफ योर शोल्डर। दिस इज 15.5। ठीक है, ये आप तरीका मुझसे मेजर करोगे, फिर इंडिविजुअली मेजरमेंट लोगे और वो मेजरमेंट लिखोगे। ठीक है, दिस इज अक्रॉस शोल्डर, दिस इज 15.5। And from 5.5 from HPS, this is our across front. This is our across front. This is around 41/2. Okay, this is across front. In the same way, we will go 5.5 point from HPS. This is our center. This is our across back. This is 14 1/4. Now we will come towards our apex. This is our apex. This is the highest point of our bust. Now from our HPS, this is around 10. This is at 10. This is our apex point. So this is our fuller bust, or we can say this is our bust part. This is like 36. Okay, and from the circumference means the fuller bust to the lower bust of our the upper part of our lower bust is called, this is the upper bust, and this comes around 35.5. No, this is also 36. So this is our upper bust and this is our fuller bust. And this is our lower bust, means this is the circumference of 2.5 inches, and as a whole this is around 5 inches. So this is our upper bust, this is our fuller bust, and this is our under bust. So our under bust is 32 inches. Okay, then from our HPS at 15, this is our upper waist. At 15 from HPS, this is our upper waist. At 16, this is our waist, and at 17, this is our lower waist. Okay, so what are the sizes from HPS for waist? It's 15, 16 and 17. So we will measure at 15, then at 16, then at 17. So this is depends upon the type of top you are making. Then from HPS, our hip area is 20, 24 and 28. Okay, 20, 24, 28. So upper hip is at 20th from HPS. So upper hip is at 20th from HPS, and our hip size is at 24 from HPS, and the lower hip is at 28 from HPS. And at 28 we also measure the thigh area. So thigh area is from 28 from HPS. So this is how we measure our thigh. We will be including 2 fingers and we'll be writing the exact measurement. It's 22.1/4.
22 point.
Not point, it's 22 1/4. Okay. This is our crotch area from front to back. This is helpful when we going to make any pant or like jumpsuit and all. So the total crotch area is from front to back is 28. From front to back, it will be
28.
28 inches. See, it is 28. And from front part, from this area to this area, this is 12.5. And from this area to our crotch, this is 15.5. You must learn these measurements so that whensoever you're going to make any pants or anything, your at least the marks you must know. Okay. So from HPS, what we are going to measure? Thigh we have already measured. Now it's going to measure the knee part. Knee is 40 from HPS. Knee is 40 from HPS. See. This is the 40th from HPS. And then we need to measure the calf. This is the calf. This is 46 from HPS. CALF. This is calf. Calf is 46 from HPS. Then the ankle part. Ankle part is 56 from HPS. So the full length of a jumpsuit for a medium figure is 56. Okay. But the crotch length for the pants is 28. But for the jumpsuit, it will be 17 to 18. Means it may be 29, maybe 30. This depends upon the size, like how much allowance we need to sit. Okay. Anything else? I think we have covered maximum part of this dummy. Now come upon the sleeve. The length of a sleeve means a simple tailored sleeve is 24 inches. 24 inches. And how about the cap height? Cap height, this is the cap height. Means this is our bicep. Level. And width of this means from LPS to 3 inches. From LPS to 3 inches, that is our cap height. So cap height is 3 inches. Then we measure the cap area like this to this. This comes around 7 3/4. Sometimes it comes around 7 1/2. Okay, this is the cap width. Then this is the bicep level. This is the bicep level. We measure the bicep level from this part, and normally it comes 11.5. So the half of bicep is 11/2, like 5.5. Okay. Now come to the length. It's about 24. Divide this by 6. Like 6 to the 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 6 4s are 24, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we divide it into 4 parts, then the half length of the sleeve is 6. Half length of the sleeve is 6. Normally it comes to the 10, not to the 12, because this is our elbow part. So whensoever we going to make a sleeve, we always avoid the elbow part. Either we go beyond this or we go upper part from the elbow area. So normally the length of the sleeve is 10. By the short sleeve, the length of sleeve is 6. And the elbow level is 12 from LPS. And 1/4 length is 18 inches and full length is 24 inches. ठीक है? इसके बाद हमारा क्या बचा? सिर्फ वेस्ट एरिया. जो हमारी रिस्ट होती है, रिस्ट एरिया हमारी नॉर्मली इट कम्स अराउंड 7.5. Means 3/3, 1/4 or 3 1/2. This is the fixed measurement without any allowance. Okay. Anything else you want to ask? Anything else we have left into this? Now you come to the how to take measurements, and you know the name of each and every part. So this is our neckline. HPS, the front neck drop is always 3 inches. Front neck drop is always
3 inches.
And for the back part of our neckline, the back drop is how many inches? It's 5 by 8. 5 सूत. Like in 1 inch, there are 8 points. 8. So if we go towards the 4, means it's 1 by 2. When we go for the 5, means 5 by 8. ठीक है? किसी और को पूछना है अभी कुछ? इसमें कोई पॉइंट रह गया हो या कुछ दोबारा पूछना हो आप पूछ सकते हो.